Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing a Minecraft character. Yeah, we'll be drawing a Ghast from Minecraft. So that's that flying creature. It kind of looks like I think he's a ghost, but he's like a flying octopus. He's got little legs dangling down. So we're going to be drawing him today. Also, a great little character for Halloween as well. So yeah, there we go. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to draw is his head. He's basically a cube. Yeah, so we're going to draw a cube. So I'm just going to start, what I find the easiest is just to start a line down the middle.
A line down the middle.
So then we're going to do the sides on one side on each side. So basically we draw another line going up at an angle.
Kind of diagonal.
Yeah, diagonally, and try and make it a similar length in this line here, maybe just a little bit shorter. And then at the top here, you draw another parallel line to the line in the bottom here. Yeah, and then it's just a matter of joining these two dots together. So draw a nice line going there. Yeah, and then we just repeat that on the other side. So we can draw another line going up on an angle. Do the same there as well, and then again just join those two lines together, go down.
That now kind of looks like a book without the pages.
It does look like a book, yeah. Yeah,
so
very good.
we're going to connect it right there.
Yeah, so we're going to draw the top because this is a cube, so we've got two sides. I'm going to draw the top. So basically what we're going to draw is copy that line, but over here, and do the same on the other side there as well. Cool. And then it's just a matter of joining these two together.
Now that looks like a cube, like a dice.
It does, yeah. Well, that's one way to draw a dice, yeah. All right, so let's draw the Ghast's face. So it's a very simple face. He's just got two eyes and a mouth, and it's just like a bit of about this height here. It's kind of a rectangle shape, and we draw another one there as well.
It looks like a cube with a face.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a little letterbox with that little line in there, and in his mouth, you've already done it, that's cool. And same thing as well, you can just draw a line or make it a bit of a thin rectangle, like that. Alright, and the last thing we've got to do is his
French fries legs.
yeah, you call it French fry legs, but I think it's like tentacles, or so he's got some legs hanging down. It makes him kind of look like a flying octopus.
Yeah.
Yeah, so of course Minecraft, everything is very boxy and like a cube.
Boxy.
So basically it's like long rectangles that we're going to draw. So there we go. So it's kind of a stretched out cube or rectangle sort of shape. And then we just do three along the side here. They don't have to be straight down because when he's flying around, they're all kind of like, you know, wobbling around. Cool. So that's three, and then we draw another two along the front there. We've already drawn one here. I think he's got three on each side, but if you want to do it differently, that is cool as well.
That looks like an octopus.
It does, yeah, like an octopus or a squid or jellyfish or something like that. Okay, alright, so there's our Ghast all drawn up. So the next thing is to colour in. And we're finished. We're back, yeah. We finished colouring in. And quite an easy character to colour in because it's very limited colours. Lots of greys and whites and light blues. But tell me, what have you done with yours?
I did a lava fall, and there is a hole where the lava falls in and zombie pigments.
Yeah, so the Ghast is normally in the nether, so I can see there's always lots of lava there. And I was going to say waterfall, but it's not water, it's lava, so it's a lava fall.
Yeah.
That's right. And you've done lots of little piglins there as well, who sometimes you see in the nether. So that's really great. Are you happy with yours?
Yeah.
I think you did a really wonderful job. And the great thing is, yeah, you can add little extra details in there and make it your own special creation. Thanks for watching. I hope you all followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos, including Minecraft, Halloween themed, lots of different things for you to enjoy. So we'll see you again next time. Bye.